XRP, we start with daily chart, and as you can see, we have been looking for support as a 197. All right, even we see there was a breakout, but the price couldn't stay below that for a long time. All right, now what we are looking for, we're looking for the reversal. And we're looking to see the breakout of 2.9 following by all-time high. But before, that means if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it because we want to see the breakout of this correction. But we have to look at this one. We want to see the breakout of 2.67. All right, because if the price continue, there was no breakout, we can expect this one. But as long as the overall market start to move, then we don't need to care about that. Because if for the XRP, as long as it start to move, it can move really sharp. But we have to look for that's mean any opportunity for buy at this point. I'm interested because for the Bitcoin I mentioned we have to see the breakout of the all-time high before we look for the trade. But for the XRP, we don't need to wait for that. That's mean any opportunity for buy from here, we will take it. But we want to see. I mean, as long as the price tag this one, you have if there is a breakout, it's good. If not, at least we should know how to manage our trade. That's mean 2.67. This is where we have to look to watch out if we get any opportunity for buy. But if we move to the monthly chart, the targets we are looking for is any targets above 5.4, somewhere between 5.4 and 6. This is what I'm looking for at least. And the 4.2 is a short-term targets because in that case we can expect to see the correction here. That means above 5.4, somewhere between 5.4 and 6. This is what I'm looking for at least. All right. That's why I mentioned I'm interested to look for a trade for the XRP. And if we move to lower time frame, weekly chart, we don't see anything to discuss. And if we move to the daily chart, similar explanation. Okay, the only thing is any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. But if we move to the forward chart, even there is no trade setup, because even if you want to look for flag, we have to be quite careful. I mean, we have to watch out because every one move, we can expect to see the correction. All right. For me, I'm not really interested to look for the trade if I see this kind of the movement. That's why if we get the deeper correction, it can give us better opportunity. But any flag we consider as a short term, as long as we get into the profit, we at least move our stop loss to break even. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup. And even if anyone wants to look for buy from here, the only option is to put the entry above this one, the above the top, which I'm not really interested. And we just follow the chart. If I see any trade setup that can give us a better confirmation, I will share. But it doesn't mean we cannot look for buy. We can look for flag, but we have to watch out and we have to know how to manage if it doesn't move in our direction.